2024 was a really great year for us. We had the opportunity to do a ton of traveling, and if you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of those trips. We didn't do so great posting on YouTube. We just got carried away and lost in the moments, but check us out at Jason and Kellyanne. You can see all of those details there. Our youngest son, our youngest of four, aged out. He graduated high school this year, so now that he's 19 doing his own thing, we made the decision to downsize. So we put our home up for rent, we got a smaller home, and that actually has really freed up our time. As we look into this new year, we've made the decision, really what we want to focus on is to continue our travel, but more than anything, we love to explore. This truck has been wonderful for camping and getting out to some really cool places that we probably couldn't go if we didn't have it. But with that, we've decided we're going to sell this truck. So Jason put a lot of work making it custom, but it's time for us to do something different and upgrade. And so now we're going to go get an adventure van, and we're inviting you along to that journey from the search of the right van for us, and then following us through the journey for our very first trips and where we go throughout this year and all of our adventures. So I would encourage you to subscribe to our videos and join us in this journey.